Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a hummingbird and I will be coloring it as well. So let's get started. This will be very easy, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you want to connect with me through other social media as well, my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram accounts are in the description box below for you to connect with me through those media as well. And if you have any requests, let me know by commenting below so I will draw it for you for next time. And so let's get started. I'm just going to draw it with my Sharpie first and then we'll go into coloring. I'm going to be using a lot of colors for this one. I hope you like it. So you can see how easy it is to draw and color this, and I used a lot of colors for this one. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this one on, check out my Redbubble shop, link in the description box below to buy products. And if you have any other requests, or if you want to check out other products, you can in the Redbubble shop. And I will also put some next videos for you to check out next, including the hummingbirds that I drew before. I hope you like those as well, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so I hope you enjoy the Wednesday today, and I will see you next time. Bye.